Hey everyone, welcome back. If the BNZ app keeps crashing or closing unexpectedly, follow these steps. First, restart your phone. This often fixes temporary system bugs. Then, head over to your app store, search for the BNZ Mobile Banking, and then check whether there are updates available or not. If there are, install the latest version available. Then, head over to your settings, go to General, then go to iPhone storage and make sure your phone has enough free storage space. Low storage can cause apps to crash. Then swipe off from the bottom of your screen. Close all the apps that are running in the background to free up memory. Ensure that your device operating system is also updated to the latest version. If the problem continues, go ahead and uninstall and reinstall the BNZ app to remove corrupted data. If the crashes still occur after reinstalling, contact the BNZ support as it may be a server or a account related issue. That's how to fix the BNZ app crashing quickly and safely. Subscribe for more fixes.